to near Richburg, moving east at 40 miles per hour. The following hazards are expected: 60 miles per hour wind gusts.
Oh.
The National Weather Service in Columbia has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Lee County in central South Carolina, South Central Chesterfield County in central South Carolina, Central Sumter County in central South Carolina, Kershaw County in central South Carolina, until 10:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 9:38 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Goodale State Park, or 8 miles northeast of Camden, moving southeast at 55 miles per hour. The following hazards are expected: 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source: radar indicated. The following impacts are expected. Expect damage to trees and power lines.
I was leaving film.
Locations impacted include Sumter, Camden, Bishopville, Lake Wateree Dam, South Sumter, Lugoff, Woods Bay State Park, Cassett, Elliott, Mulberry, Lee State Park, Sumter County Airport, Millwood, Goodale State Park, McBee, Maceville, Lynchburg, Bethune, Lucknow, and Dalzell. This includes the following highways: Interstate 20 in South Carolina between mile markers 91 and 126. Interstate 95 between mile markers 135 and 146.
That's 130.
A severe thunderstorm warning remains in effect till 9:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for eastern Fairfield, Lancaster, southwestern Chesterfield, and northern Kershaw counties.